Hello guys and welcome back to a new episode on the RNG tutorial series. So I know it's been a while, but I mean it had its reasons. So um, I basically just took a break from the RNG game and made my own game out of it. Um, well, yeah, but that's that's a preview of what we are going to do today. So we are adding sprinting to our RNG game. We also will add weather effects to different parts, like that the leaves change or that water changes when we apply an event. We are also going to add roles leaderboards and time leaderboards. And lastly, we will add givers. So these givers act as a admin command. So we can give us luck. So I'm gonna give me -1 because -1 is pretty much the best luck you can give. Well, there's only one aura in game right now, so yeah, that explains why I roll this. But yeah, basically, you can also apply weathers in here for different durations. As you see, the event applied perfectly. Um, yeah, it's pretty dark with this event. Um, but yeah, that's basically what we are going to do. So these feature cooldown length. So this is the cooldown after a roll that you have to wait. You can set that to 0. You can add coins. So if I want to add maybe 10k coins to my user, we can do this, and I got 10k coins. You can also give yourself and other people auras. So yeah, we are going to add all this different stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much a preview of what are we going to do today. And let's just jump right into it. Also, on a larger scale, I can quickly show you what it would look like. So yeah. By the way, this is my newest game, so you can also check that out. I will leave a link to it in the description. Yeah. You can see that when I apply an event, the tree change the colors, and there is an effect applied. The water also gets black, and everything gets applied perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much what we are going to add. So also in the Discord server, which will also be linked in my bio on the video description, we also host an event right now, so make sure you check that out. It's an aura creation event, so for all the people that do VFX, yeah, you can participate in here. But yeah, basically there is this channel that's called Video Resources. It's in the important category, and there will be yeah, there will be stuff for this episode which is not uploaded yet. But yeah, I will leave a bit of stuff here which you can download and then insert into your game. So also sorry for my voice because I'm a bit like sick, but it's okay. So we are now in studio. I can quickly show you where we left off the last time. So it is the pretty much the last stand that we had. We also had the weather client, I think. Yeah, we had the map events, so yeah, that's good. So the first things we will be adding will be the time and the roles leaderboards. So yeah, I will leave them both in the Discord server, so make sure you join there, and then we have them right here. So let me actually transfer them right here. Yeah, somewhere around here. And there will also be a server script inside the module of the template leaderboard. Just make sure you paste this into the server script service, and then we can try this out. And then we can go there. And as you can see, the time leaderboard already works. And with the roles leaderboard, it takes like a minute for it to get reloaded. So yeah, let's just wait for a minute. Yeah, and as you can see, the roles leaderboard just updated, and we have all roles here. So yeah, that's both the leaderboards, and then quickly we can do the next part. So for the next part, there is actually also going to be a module, a script inside my Discord server, so make sure you get this. And yeah, that is for the sprinting. You want to insert this in the starter player, then starter character scripts. And yeah, it's there. There's a sprint animation inside here. You have to paste your own animation ID in there, and then it should work. When we try and sprint, as you can see, it works perfectly. And we can sprint while pressing Control. Also, there will be a button for mobile players. So yeah, that's the thing. So that was it for the roles and for the sprinting. So yeah, then the next part will be the map events. So I'm quickly going to the toolbox and then maybe adding a tree, maybe this low poly tree here. And yeah, then I will also add some water. So I will just add a part and then just scale it a bit. And then I'm gonna make blue and give it a wood texture because it kind of looks a bit like water. Well, you can make your own water, of course, but I'm just going to use this. So then what we have to do is we have to go to the workspace and create 2 new folders, not the script. I mean 2 new folders. And one of them is going to be called leaves, and the other one is going to be called water. And we want to drag the water into the water folder and all the leaves into the leaves folder, just like this. And then we can go into the map events. So the next thing we have to do is, of course, in the map events. So yeah, we want to change a bit for the clear function. So yeah, let us do that first. So we firstly want to mark the leaves folder and the water folder. So local leaves folder is equal to game, then workspace, and then column wait for child, and then leaves. Then we can copy this line. Also, let me zoom in. Paste it again, and then search for water, and then just make this the water folder. And then what we want to do is we want to clear all children in that folder. So for every leaf in the leaves folder, and then column get children do. We want to make the leaf dot color is equal to color 3 that from RGB. And then you want to paste your color into. So just copy this color here, paste it in here, and then leaf dot transparency is equal to 0. And then if leaf find first child, which is a, and then particle emitter, or leaf find first child, which is a part, or leaf find first child, which is a base part. Then we want to do for underscore every child in leaf column get children do, and then we want to do child column destruct. We can pretty much copy this whole function and paste it in again. This time we are going to index for every water in the water folder, and then we want to do water.color. We replace every leaf with water. Then we want to copy the color of our water and paste it here in the brackets. And yeah, here we want to add something. So if child column is a texture, Then return end, just like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the clearance of the both folders. So what we also want to do is in the replicated storage. Here's in the replicated storage. In the weather config, I would add a new folder. So I'll add a new folder and call this folder particles. And then in this particles folder, you can insert particles that you want to have for different events. So I have the event null. So this can either be just one particle or a part with multiple particles inside. Yeah. But I would make it a part and then the particle emitter inside. So yeah. Also, I'm quickly going to add my nulls event. Quickly add it in here. So yeah. Then I would also need this folder for it. Yeah, that's pretty much just my event. And yeah, then what I'm going to do is I am going to, yes, in the apply default. I think everything stays the same here. Yes, it does. Then in the apply event function, this is where we pretty much do all the stuff. So sorry again for my voice, I'm a bit sick, so yeah. So what we want to do is, let me quickly so what we want to do is oh yeah, so you can copy the leaves folder and the water folder from the clear function, and I'm gonna paste them under the weather data, so here, and then I'm just adding if. So if event is equal to null, you obviously have to add your own event name. Then I'm gonna do for every leaf in, and then leaf folder colon get children do. Then I'm gonna do leaf dot color is equal to color3 from RGB. And then I'm just put 0, 0, 0. Then leaf dot transparency, I'll put it equal to 0 0.3. And then local particle. And this way you want to specify a particle is equal to gain dot replicate storage dot weather configs, and then dot particles dot null. Then I want to clone it. So this is pretty much this here. Yeah, we just clone it, and then particle dot position is equal to leaf dot position, and then particle dot anchored is equal to true, and particle dot size is equal to vector array dot new. And then what you can do is you can just put different values and then experiment with them. So I'm gonna just put 10, 10, 10. And then particle dot orientation is equal to leaf dot orientation, and then particle dot parent is equal to leaf, just like this. Then I'm gonna do the same for water. So for every water in a water folder, get children do. Then I'm gonna do water dot color It's equal to color 3 dot from RGB 0,0,0. And yeah, that is pretty much the thing. So we can test it out right now. Yeah, so let me quickly test it out by making the chance to roll this event maybe 1. Then let me check if this works. So we get put in here, and as you can see, the tree has this effect applied. The leaves are black and a bit transparent, and our water is also black. So this works perfectly fine. And yeah, that's pretty much map changing done. So the last thing on our list was to add the different admin commands. So we are going to do that now. So yeah, the admin UI will again be in my Discord server, so make sure you get that there. So yeah, just paste it in, and then when you play a game, you should see the givers here. And yeah, then we have to make them work on the server. So the first thing we have to do is to add all the remote events associated with this. So yeah, I'm just going to make this. So we have to add quite a few. So the first remote event will be called, I would just make it apply coins. So apply coins, and then we need apply cooldown. And then we need apply luck. Then we need apply weather. And then I think that was it. Let me check. So so yeah, let me check quickly. So we have the coins, the cooldown, the luck, the aura, and the weather. I think the aura is missing. Let me check. Oh yeah, we need the, oh yeah, let me just check what event we need. So we need GIF aura. We have that already, I think. Yeah, we have GIF aura. So that is perfect. So we have all the remotes now there, and then let's just get right into it. So we want to go in server script service, add a new script, and call this one git command. So in this, we are going to call the local replicated storage equal to game get service replicate storage, and the local aura handler is equal to require, and then game call wait for child JavaScript service, and then call wait for child aura handler. So also I think we have to change something in the aura handler, so let's just check that out right now. No, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, then back in the gif command. So we have the local function give aura, and it will take the player to gif. and the aura name. Okay, so I'm back. So yeah, what you then want to do is if not player to give or aura name, and then return false, and I mean let me just do return and then false, just like this. Then the local auras folder is equal to player to give called find first child auras folder. Then if not auras folder, then auras folder is equal to instance.new folder comma player to give, and then auras folder dot name is equal to auras folder. So then local existing aura is equal to auras folder, then call find first child, and then aura name, then if existing aura, then existing aura call destroy. And yeah, and then local new aura is equal to instance.new string value in the auras folder, and then new aura dot name equal to aura name, and new aura dot value equal to aura name, and yeah, pretty much just this. Then local auras owns is equal to player to give, and call find first child, and then auras owns. Then if not auras owns, then you just want to basically create the folder again. So yeah, you just basically want to create a new folder. Then local owns aura is equal to auras owned, and then call find first child aura name or instance.new bool value comma auras owns, bool value comma auras owns, and then owned aura dot name is equal to aura name, and owned aura dot value is equal to true. And then local remote is equal to replicate storage called find first child remote. And then if remote, then local store is equal to remote, and then call find first child store, and then if store, then store call fire client player to give with the aura name, and yeah, then we want to return true. So then the next thing would be the give luck. So a local function give luck is accepting the player to give and the amount, And then we want to do our handler dot change log stat player to give and then call amount. Then we can copy this line, paste it, and change this with give cooldown. And then change cooldown stat, just like this. Let me check if this actually, so give cooldown, I think yeah, it works, okay. Then local function give coins. It needs again the player to give and the amount. So yeah, then local data manager is equal to require and then game.javascript service, wait for child modules, wait for child data manager. And then local profile is equal to data manager dot profiles, and we want to index with the player to give. And then profile dot data dot cache is equal to profile dot data dot cache or 0 and then plus amount. Player to give dot cache dot value is equal to profile dot data dot cache. Local function apply weather would need the player, the weather name, the duration, and then local map events is equal to require game.javascript service call wait.child map events, and then local weather events folder is equal to replicate storage weather events weather configs, and then local folder is equal to weather events folder, and then index of toString the weather name, then local sound and local color, and then you have to specify every event here. So if weather name is equal, then basically all the events you have in the map events. So here, so for me it's windy and null, so I'll add those two here. So it's equal to windy, then sound is equal, and then color is equal. Then you want to add the sound IDs and the color that your event has. And then you want to make this else thing. So this should be the normal sound of your game, the normal game sound, and then just a white color. And then else if weather name is equal to add your events here, then you want to add new events here, just like this. And then what we want to do is we want to do map events and then oh yeah, we have to change this. So new map events. We have to actually change the apply events to a module function. So we can remove the local here and then just do a function and then map events dot. Oh, that was the wrong. That was the wrong thing. So we'll get the local back here, then here for the apply event. So we want to remove the local. Then here we want to add map events and then a dot. And yeah, this should then work. So then we can go back to the GIF command and then map events dot apply event. And then we need the weather name, the duration, the folder, the sound, and the color. Then we want to set a message. So local message is equal to string.format. Then we put as a prefix and put server and then put an admin tag. Admin. And then it's equal to player dot name. Like this. And then map event. Not event, event, I mean. Then I'll put the weather name here. And then start it. Enjoy the event for, and then I'm put the duration and then seconds. Like this. And then you want to do replicate storage dot remotes dot messages dot server fire all clients with the message. So then we need to combine all these events together. So replicate storage dot remotes dot give aura dot onserve events connect function player 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 to give aura name. Then we want to do give aura player to give aura name. We can copy this whole function, paste it again. We can change this to give luck. And then we want to change this here to apply luck. And we can copy this again, paste it, then apply coins. Apply coins. Then we want to do give coins. Paste it again. This time apply cooldown. And then give cooldown. Same thing. And paste this again. This time for apply weather. And then this one is slightly different because we have the weather name and the duration. Then we want to apply weather with the player, the weather name, and the duration. So then we can try this out. So let us quickly check for any errors. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Here we have to put the map events back. So go back here and then put map events dot apply event. Yes, so in map events line 133, where we put the dot random biome, make sure you put the map events dots here, and yeah, then this should work perfectly. So now this event is here. That's not supposed to happen. Let me quickly go to the map events and make this rarity rarer again so that we can try this out here. So let me just change it like this so I can try everything out. Okay, now windy applied. Let me just hop in again. Windy applied again. Why did windy apply again? Um, let me just go here, then the chance is 5. We'll make the chance a bit higher. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna open up the players tab, click on my player so I can see all the attributes here. Then we can check it out. So luck amount, I'm gonna just put that to 2. Put my username in. And then as you can see, the luck is 1, and now it's 2. You can check this for the aura names. So I currently only have Water Hydra, so let me see which auras I have here. So let's start with Aegis. So Aegis, and then username again. You don't have to put your username. You can also gift it to other people. Okay, so there's something wrong. We will look into this in a second. And then coins amount. Let's see if this works. 10,000. My username. It worked. Cooldown. Just put it to 0. It's now 1. My name here. It's 0. Weather name. Let us try if this event works. You apply it, and everything goes as planned. We can wait it 30 seconds and see if this correctly goes back. But yeah, let me see how to fix this. I think it's because, wait, do I have? Yeah, I have Aegis. Maybe because it has a requirement. Let me check with maybe common. Yeah, it correctly goes away, but let me check with the common. And then add it to my user and then send it. No, this actually did not work. So let me check why it does not work. So why it doesn't work? Let me quickly debug the code. Just give me a second to try. Do we have them after? We don't. Okay, now we have it here. So I basically put a writing mistake. So yeah, I will leave the function give aura also in my Discord. So I'll make sure you get this and then paste it in. You can remove all the print statements if you don't want them. But yeah. Yeah, but basically that's the thing. We added sprinting. We added the leaderboards, which work. We added map events. We added the thing here. So I'll check this again. And yeah, this perfectly works. So I hope you liked this video. So again, I will be leaving the both leaderboards and also the script for the time leaderboard, as well as the admin UI and the function for the give aura in my Discord server. So yeah, make sure you get this all there and then paste it in. Yeah, I hope you liked this video, and we will see in the next one.